video, I'm gonna show you how to do an elbow hammer. So we're gonna use a reverse elbow, a rear elbow, straight back, and our straight up hammer fist, which remember we make a tight fist with our thumb down, big cinnamon roll, little cinnamon roll on the pinky side. And if we do rock, paper, scissors, we see that that makes a really, really tight structure, super effective. So let's say Bob is too close, like Bob likes to get, and I don't want him there. So drop the hammer, throw a couple elbows, create some distance, turn around, maybe do something else or hold him accountable. Here it is again on the other side. See, I have all kinds of other things that I could do. And I turn around, elbow hammer, and I turn around. Here's another angle of the elbow hammer. I'm going to use my left hand this time. Remember, we make a tight fist, rock, paper, scissors, pinky side of your hand, or the little cinnamon roll, and drop it down. I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to lay it down. It's going to hit somewhere in that area, and I like to throw the elbow, as you all know. Turn around, hold them accountable with whatever you need to do next. Elbow hammer.